Hey guys, and today I'm going to teach you how to fold this toilet sign. So first of all, you're going to have a square of paper. So we fold down it in half. Then rotate and do the same thing on this side. Then we fold the edge to this piece. Same thing on this side. Right. Then we're going to do a repair fold this, like this piece right here. This, then fade down to the left side, right, then fold to the right side, make a crease and rotate. And now we're going to fold this point to this crease like this, and the edge right here will align, right. Then we're going to take this crease and adjust with this point, this crease right here like this, so this point stay. Then just adjust, make a crease like this. Then do the same thing. We fold this point to this crease and make the crease. After that, we're going to squash it down like this. After that, we fold this up. Now we're going to take this and use this crease right here to align with this crease. So we're going to do something like this. It will look like this. Then what I'm going to do is turn paper over. We fold this edge to this crease and make a fold like this. Do the same thing on this side. And unfold. Now we're going to do a reverse fold by making this crease into a mounted fold, right, and this crease will be belly fold, right, and the same thing right here, and that's right. So right now we're going to do the nail. So now what we're going to do is trying to make Pharaoh line. Just fold it like this. repeat the same thing here. Just fold it like this to make sure you get a straight line like this, right? Right after that, what we're going to do is going to make a diagonal crease right here. So make a diagonal crease, and after that you just squash it down like this. Same thing here. Then after you've done that, we'll fold this down to make something look like this. Right now, turn paper over, make this fold, this. So like this, and fold this to hide back. This, then fold this up with this to shape it. So now I'm going to shape this part. So make a reverse fold like this. Same thing, and fold this inside and kind of shape this square into more rounded. So same thing here. Shape this, and last step for this one is to fold this back. Then you get that. So now for the review, right, you have the same base just now. So now we're going to do different thing. So from this point to this edge right here, just align, make some diagonal fold like this. So make it more symmetrical. And do the same thing with, we're gonna make diagonal fold this. So then squash it down like this. So these two edges are aligned together. So same thing here, make diagonal fold right like this, and as soon as you make it, you just align the edge so get the parallel. Then squash it down. Now to fold it down. Same thing here. So make sure both of them are same. Then fold this back, align with this edge right here. Then you just fold this back to hide it in this. Then fold this shape. Right, this one, same thing. So if you've done it completely, you will get this. So if you like this model, don't forget to click thumbs up, and also click subscribe, and also click the notification bell as well, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.